What's up everyone, Brian from Synergy Athletics here, and I have one tip for you on another dynamic warm-up that you can do pre-exercise to help properly warm yourselves up, get yourself ready for your exercise. It's gonna burp.
That would be good too.
What's up everyone, Brian from Synergy Athletics here, and I have one tip for you on how to properly warm your hamstrings up in a dynamic warm-up way pre-exercise. Now if you do like this tip, please hit the subscribe button below and we'll keep the videos coming for you. So one simple yet effective thing that you can do before your exercise, before your workout, is a dynamic warm-up. Now again, purpose of a dynamic warm-up is to get the muscles firing that you want to use for that exercise so you can keep it specific. Also to increase your body temperature, get yourself warm, loose, break a little sweat, get a little blood flow to the muscles that you want to get using. So one tip that we're going to use is, or one exercise, is a butt kicker. Some of us may remember it from the old high school football or the old high school soccer days. As simple as it is, as simple as it sounds, kick your butt, right? So we'll stand right in place and as fast as you can, try to take your heel and get it as close to your butt as possible, right? Now when you're doing your dynamic warm-up, keep it short, maybe 10 to 20 second bursts, take 30 seconds rest or so, and repeat a couple 4 or 5 times. Again, purpose is get the muscles firing that you are going to be using, get your body temperature warm, get everything nice and loose, break a little sweat, get a little huffing and puffing going on. That's good. That's the whole purpose of the warm-up. That's why they call it a warm-up, is to get warm before your exercise. Because if you were to go and try to put the bar on your back and squat 300 pounds or whatever it is, when you're cold, it doesn't work out very well. It doesn't have to be a squat. It can be a body weight squat. It can be a run. It can be a jog. It can be a bike ride. It can be a obstacle course race. Whatever it is, use the dynamic warm-up to your advantage. Help warm your muscles up properly. Get them firing the right way. So if you do like this video, please hit the subscribe button below. And in the first comment, we will have a link for a free session to one of our facilities. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you all very soon.